These are going to be the elevators in the J-Wing of the University of Washington School of Medicine, Seattle. And look what we have.
Oh, wow.
Montgomery Circle white buttons.
That's cool.
Let's go to B. Alright, send it up to 6.
Oh, those press really nice, too.
And here we go.
It's not an old Montgomery, but pretty kind of close.
B. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful.
Man, these are cool.
Alright, back up to 6. Interesting how this one actually doesn't have the 88 Dover COP like a lot of the old elevators here do. They actually lowered this one. Pretty quick too. Not the smoothest elevator, but it's not rough or too bumpy by any means. You want to send this one down and try to get the other car? Yeah, alright.
Oh, it feels different.
It's also one of only a few vintage elevators here that don't have the EPCO call stations. Gonna sit down and wait for the other to come.
These are epic.
Very.
I love that they left everything original, too.
Me too. Okay, let's listen. Wee. And we will give these one more ride. Yeah, I thought so too.
They're very smooth.
They are. And here we are on 6, and I'm thinking we'll end on 3 because I believe that's where we started.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I think 1 because it's saying that's the main floor.
That's probably where they'll come in.
Yep.
These ones stick out almost like California code. But long before that was a thing.
I'll get a close-up view of these since it is not every day you see these fixtures. Absolutely beautiful. And here we are in one. Hi, River.
Hey there. Finally found a place to park.
You want to take another ride?
Oh, it's going up now.
Alright.
Go to 6.
Going up or down?
Up.
Oh, okay.
Which floor?
6. Thank you.
All right, you have a good day, sir.
So I think, did you ride the other car yet?
Yes.
Does that one still have the bell as the floor pass chime?
Yes.
Yes.
Look at these.
Yeah, these are
Now
pretty
they're getting
epic.
busy.
The garage I parked in has some cool elevators.
Going down?
I'll have to show you those.
I'm thinking we'll get off on one if that's
Yeah,
what
sure.
we do. Okay. And here we are.
I'm gonna show you the Montgomery plate.
Oh wow, I love those indicators.
Did you film that one over there?
What's that one?
It's modded, but it's still kind of cool.
Oh, okay.
It's a-
I think Kyle did.
Yeah.
All right, well, that will be it.